One of the best parts of my job is working with our interns every summer. They bring fresh ideas, incredible energy, and a genuine eagerness to learn, which is something that makes all of us here at Dexter better. From day one, our interns are hands-on. Whether it's designing, running tests, or building proof of concepts, they're not just here to shadow, they're making a real impact.
At Dexter, we believe our people are our greatest strength. They bring passion, innovation, and purpose to our team. As an intern, you're a key contributor to the future we're building together. Throughout your time with Dexter, you'll get real projects, real support, and experiences that go beyond just work, all while building skills and relationships that last.
I've been at Dexter for the past 3 summers, and each year I've taken on bigger challenges, learned more, and grown in my career because of the Dexter community around me. We're all here to help each other succeed because we know together is better.